Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope so you all will be in good health and good mood. So this is the morning view from Marhaba in hotel. As it was 9 in the morning, so you can't see the road crowded with so many people. Otherwise, a lot of people were there. We'll see it later on in the night view. So somehow it was peaceful, but not so peaceful. Okay, G, let's see the next moment. Yes, here it goes. These are the amazing scenes of. This is the front corridor of Marhaba Hotel. You can see the whole area covered with clouds, and the clouds were also flying towards me. Now let's see the back view from Marhaba Hotel. Restaurant is in ground floor and hotel in upper floor. As the weather was too amazing, so we decided to move towards Pindi Point, and the rain started on the way. The road looked so beautiful and peaceful because due to rain there were no people. I was just loving this ride in this rainy weather. You can have this ride from outside of Marhaba Hotel. There you will take the ticket and they will take you towards Pindi Point. And from Pindi Point, if you have to come back on this ride, they will be available there too. It is almost 10 to 12 seater. Finally, the rain had stopped, thank God, because we were deciding to have some fun there. Let's see in the coming video what we did there. Ignore the people beside and focus on the view, as it was so beautiful view, subhanallah. And this is the view of Pindi Point. According to the weather demand, pakode were must, so we had them. गर्मा गर्म पकोड़े हों और साथ में ये हसीन मौसम हो, क्या ही बात है, मज़े आ जाते हैं. So have a look of pakode and fries. They were too delicious. This is the view from the window beside me while I was having pakode and fries. Clouds were literally coming inside and I was enjoying the view. I would like to say I was feeling the view. I just wish I could catch those clouds that were coming inside from the window. So this was the most amazing thing we did there, horse riding. Hello, this is me from backside, and at first I was afraid because I did horse riding after a long time, but then the uncle gave me the control of the horse and then I enjoyed it. So this is Papa and Chachu's enjoying a lot having horse riding. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz everyone.